Hello and welcome back to Vicky's Crafts. I have a couple of hauls. They're very small. I have three items from Temu, my calligraphy monthly kit, and then brass and bliss. So let's get started with a Temu haul. So I did get this little bag, but it came crushed. I have to send them a picture to see how crushed it is. And then in the bottom is like real in, but it's so cute, and it's to put my makeup in it. But I think I'm gonna use it because Jackie had her supplies for journals in it, so I guess that's what I'm going to use it for my journals supply. Let's put all my stickers in here, and then my pens. So that's how that looks. I gotta see if they send me another one because it's all crushed. I hope they do. So that's that. And then I did pick up some stickers that Rosa sent me. And I picked up another sticker that was Temu also. So some of these were gifted to me, like 5 of them, and I asked her where she bought them, and so she told me where. She gave me the link. So these are cute stickers. He's sitting on the bee. Little giraffe. The sheep and the horse. The little lion and the fox. I fell in love with the fox with the little boy sleeping next to him. The elephant with the umbrella. And the colors are cute. The little bear in the boat. And she's painting with her little bear. Yep. I also have to show you my shirt that I made in sewing class. I'm going to show you that. We started the pants today. I already cut the pattern, I cut the material, and today we started sewing the pants pockets and the pants together. And so next week I think we're gonna sew them together because I did the left and I did the right. I sewed it. So. There's a lot you get in here. I think $1 something. And the little girl with the monkey. The bear with the little girl, and it's raining. The little piggy with the little girl. The bear with the girl, and the polar bear with the girl. And then the girl with the cat. The girl with the mousey, or the squirrel. No, the rabbit. The rabbit. And then with the, looks like a frog. Okie dokie. Let's hurry it up so you get the gist of that. Look at this girl here. Oh boy, look at her teeth. She's missing some teeth. So that's that one. And then the other one is all animals. All different animals. So you get a giraffe, a fox, elephant, a hippo, kitty cat. And different ones with either a scarf, a hat, or a scarf, a hat, a shirt, and glasses. That one has cheese because he's a mouse. The whale with the hat, and so forth. So that's that one. That was from Temu. Then from Amazon, I picked up some new inks. This one is Emerald Green from TWSBI. I picked that up. And then I picked up Blue from TWSBI. And I did pick it up from Amazon. And this one did come with to hold your pen there. So that was from Amazon. Now I'm going to show you from Brass and Bliss. I did pick up this oval circle mask from Brass and Bliss. Then I picked up, let me put them together. Show you. I did pick up this Brass and Bliss Wildflowers in the Breeze. This one says, with sympathy, thinking of you, and thanks. And I did use this one already to make a card. Then I picked up this one. It says, welcome flower 37007. And I did pick up the coordinating die with that one. So this one has, your friendship means the world to me. Thank you, welcome, sympathy, hello, love you, miss you. I feel so blessed to call you my friend. Happy birthday. Everything is fine when there is sunshine. So that's that one. And then this one is called Group of Friends Set. And it says, there are friends, there is family. And then there are friends that become family. There is nothing on this earth more to be prized than true friendship. And then over here, life was meant for good friends and great adventures. True friends are never apart, maybe in distance, but never in heart. So that's that one, and I did pick up the coordinating die to cut them out. Oh yeah, all the friends. And then I made this card using this one and this word phrase here. Those two. Oopsie boopsie, a little pearl moved. So I put thinking of you with a little heart glitter and some pearls on top. And I did use my Brass and Bliss color fuse to make this card like that. And then inside I put your friendship means the world to me, and then in the back I put made by me, created by hand. And that's how I made that card. And then I wanted to show you my monthly kit from Calligraphy. The calligraphy box. I haven't opened it, so you get the card with the nib. So you get a calligraphy ink, the 170 nib, the practice cheats, letter variation card, practice card, lesson workbook, and video lesson, and the community. So you get all that. Here is the letter focus, capital C. And that. the High Flex, I don't know how to say that, 170 handmade paper. And then you get the ink, and this one is navy. And that's how that looks. And it does have, it looks like purple. I shouldn't shake it because it makes bubbles. And then the practice sheets. So you get 4 practice sheets in here. With the ink. Okay, and then I wanted to show you really quick. I bought this in Amazon, this girl, and I made her twice. So I made her like the way the picture came out. I made her like that, the way she came. And then I made her, and I did put glossy accents at the sunglasses on that one. And then for this one, I just made her different with a blue dress and purple hat. I mean scarf around the hat. So that's how she looks. And then last but not least is my shirt. Let me just move this to the side. I want to show you my shirt that I made in sewing class. And we're started already with the pants. So that's the shirt. Sorry, I keep banging the... So that is the shirt I made. And this is the serger that we used. I think it came out, and I put it on already. I showed it to the class, and it looks nice on me. So and this is the bottom. We used the serger for the bottom. I think we used the serger for the arms too. Yep. The arms here. So I'm kind of happy that it fits me. And it's a cute material. Let me show you. Like that. And it's a very light green with white flowers. And so the pants that I'm making are like a cotton green. And so it'll match. It's very light. So it'll be good for the summer. As always, please give it a thumbs up if you like this video. If you need any of the links, please let me know. I will put it for you in your comment and link it to you into your comment. And also, if you are not a subscriber, I would love for you to subscribe to my channel so that you won't miss out on future videos like this. Thank you and have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.